Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Leadconnector phone and email for your GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have your GoHighLevel workspace using Leadconnector as the backbone for calls and texts. So everything routes reliably through one trusted provider. This setup is ideal for businesses that want a unified communication system, making it easier to manage calls, SMS, and email from a single platform. Let's get started by opening GoHighLevel and signing into the correct location where you want phone and messaging to run. If you manage multiple locations, double-check you're in the right one first. Your telephony settings apply at the location level, so choosing the correct workspace ensures that all calls, texts, and related automation run smoothly without conflicts. From your main dashboard, head to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is the control center for your workspace, and it's where all phone and messaging configuration lives. If you don't see Settings, make sure you have the proper permissions for the location, or ask an admin to grant access. Having proper permissions is important, especially if your organization has multiple team members managing different aspects of GoHighLevel. Inside Settings, select Phone System from the left-hand menu. This area manages your numbers, call handling, voicemail, and providers. We're not changing numbers or call routing right now, just the underlying provider, so you don't have to worry about losing existing configurations. This step is about connecting a reliable network for your communications, not altering your existing workflows. Next, open Additional Settings. Think of this as the advanced panel where you can fine-tune how calls and messages are delivered behind the scenes. If a tabbed view appears, don't worry, we're heading to the provider controls. These advanced settings are helpful if you later want to set call forwarding, recording options, or automated SMS responses. Next, choose Telephony Provider. This is where you tell GoHighLevel which network should power your calls and SMS. Picking the right provider ensures better deliverability, fewer carrier issues, and consistent billing and reporting throughout your account. Choosing the correct provider can also reduce delays and improve call quality, which is essential if you use GoHighLevel for sales calls, appointment confirmations, or client support. Now, select Leadconnector from the list of available providers. Leadconnector is integrated natively with GoHighLevel, so it's typically the most seamless option, especially if you want unified support and billing. If you don't see Leadconnector, make sure your plan includes it, confirm your user role, and refresh the page. In some cases, your admin may need to enable it at the account level. This ensures that all team members can access the same telephony features without inconsistencies. After selecting Leadconnector, click Save and wait for the confirmation message to appear. This indicates your provider setting has been applied successfully. If you accidentally navigate away without saving, your previous provider will remain active, so always look for that confirmation before moving on. It's a small step that prevents disruption in your communication setup. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you use workflows or campaigns that send SMS, switching to Leadconnector ensures those messages and related call tracking run through the same infrastructure. This consistency helps with reporting and automation accuracy. If your organization also uses Leadconnector for email, that is managed under Email Services and Settings. Today, we focus specifically on telephony, but integrating both email and SMS under Leadconnector can create a fully unified communication system. Finally, if you notice call or SMS issues after saving, revisit Phone System to confirm the provider selection, then check your number routing and credits. Running a quick test call or sending a test SMS can help you verify that everything is functioning correctly before reaching out to actual clients. That's it. You've set GoHighLevel to use Leadconnector for your telephony. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to run your communications more smoothly. With this setup, all calls and messages will flow through one reliable system, making it easier to track, manage, and automate your business communications.